I love checklists and to-do lists. They are great for tracking repetitive tasks and for all of the tasks that don't have to be scheduled at a specific time, providing the flexibility that I need in my life. And each time you check off a task you've completed, it prompts your brain to release dopamine, which is such a great feeling, I think. But after joining the planner community, I quickly realized that purchasing checklist stickers on Etsy was becoming too expensive for me, and I began looking into alternatives. So here are 3 affordable ways to add checklists to your planner.
You go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again.
Idea 1, checklist washi. The pros of checklist washi are that they are such a cute way to add checklists to your planner, in my opinion, especially the gold foil ones, and they are cheaper than pre-made stickers. The ones that I purchased come in squares, hearts, and circles. The cons are that it can be expensive if you use it every week, and in my experience, you have to use either a Sharpie or a ballpoint pen in order to prevent it from smearing. So you may not be able to use your favorite pen in your planner. I'll go ahead and link this washi down below for those of you who'd like to check it out. Idea 2, DIY checklist stickers. The pros of the DIY checklist stickers are that designing your own checklists using Microsoft Word and then printing them on full sheets of sticker paper is a great way to not only save money but also personalize your planner, because you get to decide exactly how the stickers turn out. This is a cheaper alternative to pre-made stickers and washi, and you don't have to worry about your pen smearing on these. So I'll go ahead and link down below the sticker paper that I use. The cons of the DIY checklist stickers are that it takes time to design them and to cut them out each time. I love using Microsoft Word to make customized stickers and other materials for my planner because it's very straightforward. So what I did to create these checklist stickers is insert a shape, and in order for this to fit into my happy planner, I decided to make the sticker 0.33 inches by 2.25 inches. Then I just changed the color, and to add the actual shape, I just went to insert shapes, and you can choose from things like hearts or stars or circles. You can also go to insert icons, and there are so many different options on here. And these are really great if you want to make your own icon planner stickers and just print out a bunch of them. So in order to make this into a checkbox, all you have to do is change the color to white and make sure that it is in front of the text so that it shows up on the top layer of your checklist box. Also make sure that the checklist box is set to behind text so that you don't have problems with your checkboxes disappearing. I just copied and pasted these shapes onto the boxes. And then to make a bunch of these, I inserted a table and I selected all the shapes and grouped them together and copied and pasted those into the table. You'll probably want to make them all line up. I didn't have the patience to do that when I was making these, but you get the point. Idea number 3, use a stencil. So the pros of using a stencil are that it is very easy to use. All you need is the stencil and a pen. And I just bought this Line It Up, Check It Off stencil from Me and My Big Ideas that is specifically sized for the Happy Planner. It comes with square and circle check boxes and lines, and it snaps right into the Happy Planner. And I personally am so obsessed because it's such a quick way to add a to-do list. And it ends up looking so much better than if I had just drawn in the boxes myself, because the lines are actually straight and the squares are actually uniform. I am so bad at drawing squares. But if you don't have a problem with that, then you probably don't need a stencil. The cons of this are that it's not necessarily as visually appealing as, say, stickers or washi, and it doesn't add the color to the page. So if that bothers you, then this option probably won't work. And you may also have to pull the pages out of your planner in order to add the checklist to either Wednesday or Thursday, because for me and my experience, the happy planner rings got in the way. So that may annoy you. Checklists are extremely useful for getting things done, but they don't have to break the bank. I hope this video helped you to think of new ways that you can incorporate checklists into your planner. And if you are going to PlannerCon this year, let me know down in the comments below, because I will be there and I'm so excited. I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!